There was no burp Hiroshi. I would never burp on stream. That's disgusting. Who in their right mind would do something like that?
I think they're gonna really like it. I like it. I like it. I think they're really gonna like it.
Vanille!
Wow.
Don't tell them about the mines, chat. Don't tell them about the mines. I'm gonna send them to after.
What?
Ah! I'm gonna shake face.
You can't burp on her birthday.
It's my birthday.
It's her birthday.
Oh my god, Kevin. What's wrong? Are we going somewhere else?
I don't know. Where are we?
I don't know.
going?
Just get. I think we should get away from this.
Oh
my god, you scared me.
Wow.
You expect me to be genuine?
Yeah.
What is that?
Who was that? Who did that?
Okay.
That was definitely Dot.
Oh yeah.
Guy!
That was really loud.
What? No.
Why is there a door behind us? Wait, is that the baby door?
No.
Well,
Oh.
what about, excuse me? What about body parts? Like, could we say, like,
Genitalia?
Oh.
What the crap? You should get a point for that!
Olivia!
What the crap was that? Hi, everyone.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Kill you! Where are you? This is gonna be pretty.
You're gonna kill me? Are you threatening me in the courtroom?
Yes, I am.
Now you done it, yeah. Who's gonna get ya?
I have an anti-fang manifesto. I have an
Puppet Town
anti-fang
Clem.
manifesto.
One of my feet is like f***ed up right now because of the tracker fell off the croc, and I think I put it in backwards, and I just realized it.
No.
That ends this segment.